Giles Montessori and School. Dear students, about Unit 11, Metamorphosis, of NBF Book, Grade 9 English, 2025 Syllabus. This video includes difficult words and their meanings, short summary of the unit, post-reading questions and critical answers. This will help you to prepare for reading and comprehension question in Federal Board exam. Unit 11, Difficult Words and Meanings. Metamorphosis, tabdili, a complete change in form or nature. Vermin, nuksandeh कीड़े, harmful insects or animals. Armor-like, zirah jaisa, resembling protective armor. Domed, gumbad-numa, having a rounded top. Arches, mehrabain, curved structures. Pitifully, taras ke kabil, deserving pity. Floundering, tapna, struggling clumsily. Strenuous, mehnat talab, requiring great effort. Irregular, bekaida, not following a pattern. Subordinates, matehat, lower in rank. Curse, lanat, a swear or evil wish. Textile, kapra, fabric or cloth. Gilded, sonai ka malma, covered with a thin gold layer. Boa, lamba samp, a type of large snake or a long scarf. Muff, haath garam rakhne ka kapra, a hand warmer. Pane, shisha ka tukda, a sheet of glass in a window. Headboard, bistar ke sarhane ka takhta, the upright panel at the head of a bed. Coveted, hasad kiya gaya, highly desired. Shudder, kapna, tremble or shake. Former, sabiq, previous. Luxury, aisho aram, something expensive and comfortable. Subordinates, matehat, lower-ranking people. Hard of hearing, kaam sunne wala, partially deaf. Debt, qarz, money owed. Chest of drawers, darazo wali almari, a cabinet with drawers. Rattling, kharkharhat, a series of short, sharp sounds. Peacefully, puraman tor par, in a calm manner. Probably, shayad, most likely. Assistant, madadgar, a helper. Spineless, buzdil, lacking courage. Accuse, ilzam dena, to blame someone. Recommendation, sifarish, a suggestion for approval. Claim, dawa karna, to state something as a fact. Work shy, kahil, avoiding work. Excessive, had se zyada, too much. Hurriedly, ujlat mein, done quickly. Cautious, motat, careful. Enunciation, adaigi, clear pronunciation. Plaintively, afsos ke saath, in a sorrowful manner. Congratulated, mubarakabad di, expressed good wishes. Acquired, hasil kiya, gained or obtained. Sensible, samajdar, showing good judgment. Imaginings, khayali tasavvurat, thoughts or fantasies. Occupational hazard, pesha varona khatra, a job-related risk. Exceptionally, gair mamuli taur par, unusually. Continuously, musalsal, without stopping. Frenzied, junooni, wildly excited. Bedpost, palang ka sutun, the vertical post of a bed. Bulk, bara hissa, a large amount. Enveloped, lepeta hua, wrapped or surrounded. Cheer, khushi, joy or encouragement. Miracle, mojza, a supernatural event. Consciousness, shaur, awareness. Sighed, abhari, exhaled deeply. Struggled, jiddojihad ki, fought or tried hard. Chaos, afra-tafri, complete disorder. Sacrifice, kurbani, giving up something for a cause. Consideration, ghur-o-fikr, thoughtfulness. Concern, tashwish, worry or care. Sticking, chapkana, adhering to something. suppress, dabana, to hold back. Conscience, zamir, in a sense of right and wrong. Louts, badtamiz log, rude or aggressive people. Devoted, wakaf-shuda, dedicated. Pangs, takleef-deh ehsasat, sudden painful emotions. Condemned, saza-yafta, officially declared guilty. Shortcoming, kami, a fault or weakness. Immediately, fauran, instantly. Suspicious, mashkook, doubtful. Conceding, taslim karna, admitting something. Gruff, sakht lehya, rough or abrupt in manner. Adjoining, saath wala, next to. Untidiness, gandagi, messiness. Cross, naraz, angry. Fret saw, lakdi kaatne ka ara, a type of saw. Instance, misal, an example. Intercede, sifarish karna, to plead for someone. Incomprehensible, nakabil pegam, difficult to understand. Stubbornness, zid, refusal to change. Unsatisfactory, gair tasalli baksh, not good enough. Accusations, ilzamat, claims of wrongdoing. Gusht, be tahasha bolna, spoke enthusiastically. Insistent, israr karne wala, demanding firmly. Curiosity, tajassus, a strong desire to know. Responsibility, zimmedari, duty or obligation. Upright, seedha, standing straight. Symptom, olimot, a sign of illness. Recommend, sifarish karna, suggesting something. Short summary of the lesson. Gregor Samsa wakes up one morning to find himself turned into a huge bug. He is shocked and tries to figure out how to get out of bed. He works as a traveling salesman and thinks about his stressful job. Gregor worries about missing work and what his boss will think. He hears his mother and father outside his room, worrying about why he hasn't gotten up. His sister also asks if he needs anything. Gregor tries to move, but his new bug body makes it difficult. Eventually, he falls out of bed with a loud thump. His parents and boss, who has come to check on him, are concerned and want to know what's wrong. Gregor tries to explain through the door, but his voice has changed and sounds strange. He doesn't open the door because he's afraid of how they will react to seeing him as a bug. The chief clerk, who is Gregor's boss, gets impatient and questions Gregor's dedication to his job. Gregor tries to assure everyone that he will be out soon and back to work. He struggles to stand up, but keeps slipping. Gregor knows he needs help but is too embarrassed to ask for it. In the end, Gregor is still stuck in his room, struggling with his new bug body, and unable to convince his family and boss that he's okay. Post-reading questions. What do you think is the significance of Gregor's transformation into a horrible vermin? Gregor's transformation shows how he feels trapped and worthless because of his job and responsibilities. How does Gregor's family's attitude towards him change throughout the story? At first, they are worried and try to help him, but later they become scared and angry, treating him badly. What themes or ideas do you think the story explores? The story explores themes of isolation, identity, and how people are treated when they are different or can't work. How does the story use Gregor's transformation to comment on society or human nature? Gregor's transformation shows how society often values people only for their ability to work and contribute, ignoring their inner worth and feelings. Reading and critical thinking. Q1. What physical challenges does Gregor face as a result of his transformation? Gregor cannot move easily because his new body is like a large bug. His legs are thin and weak, making it hard for him to get out of bed. He also finds it difficult to control his movements. Q2. Why does Gregor hesitate to open the door for the chief clerk? Gregor is afraid to open the door because he does not want anyone to see him in his transformed state. He worries about how his appearance will shock and scare others. Q3. How does Gregor justify his absence from work to the chief clerk? Gregor tells the chief clerk that he is feeling dizzy and unwell, which is why he could not get up and go to work on time. He promises to come to the office soon. Q4. How do Gregor's family members react to his transformation? Gregor's family is initially worried and confused. They try to help him, but soon they become scared and frustrated. Eventually, they start treating him badly because they cannot accept his new condition. Q5. What do you think the story might be trying to convey about the human condition or society? The story shows how society often values people only for their ability to work. It ignores their inner worth and feelings. It also highlights themes of isolation and how people are treated when they are different. Q6. What is the significance of the main character, Gregor Samsa, waking up transformed? Gregor's transformation into a bug symbolizes his feelings of being trapped and worthless due to his job and responsibilities. It highlights how his identity and humanity are overlooked by those around him.